how-tos.
I'm gonna go over how to use the skill disc, several different ways. We're gonna go over a couple today, starting in the push-up position. Hands, all right, on the foam part here, all right. Full extension here, bring it back, full extension. As you can see, my feet are on the ground. That takes up the level of difficulty, actually takes it down just a bit. If you wanna bring it up, make sure your feet are off the ground. You extend out, always making sure those glutes are tight, all right? One more way, mountain climb position. So if I'm here, I'm in my push-up position, you wanna drive your knee to your chest, all right? Do not have your butt up, you wanna make sure it's leveled here, all right? Drive your knee all the way up, all the way back, all the way up, all the way back. You can make that a continuous movement for however long you would like, all right? But just wanna make sure you're driving those knees up, keeping those glutes tight.